When you see me, you better run. Playing duck, duck, goose with my gun. When you see me, you better run.
Good morning, guys. Follow me on Instagram, otherwise I will knock you out. So I'm done with the Chennai trip. It's day 4. Everything is packed and I'm starting to my hometown now. It's around 400 kilometers away from here. What is up, guys? It's 3 a.m. in the afternoon, 3 p.m. in the afternoon, and I'm all set going back to home. Just dropped my friend over here, and I am heading back to my home. My home is exactly 390, around 400 kilometers from here, and I have to go via Tirupati. Hell, man, look at this Honda Brio. Chennai has unlimited BMWs, Audis and these kind of cars, man. You will find traffic over here, but the traffic is not packed like in Bangalore or in any other city like Mumbai. The weather is good. Alright, the Google says it takes 7 hours and 54 minutes to go to home. Let's see. About the floods, there are no floods in Chennai at all, man. They have cleared everything really good. Before starting, I was really scared, man. I thought my car is gonna get clogged somewhere, but no, it's very clean. Some areas are kind of flooded. They are draining the water out using pipes. Crazy. They have their own ways to drain out the city. The problem with Shell is they ask us to turn off the car, man. 3,600. Normal diesel only. Engine level.
Engine level check oil.
No need. Power diesel is also there. What's the difference?
Engine performance.
Power will be more.
Regular
What's the price difference? How much is power?
10 rupees.
10 rupees extra.
YouTuber.
YouTuber. Contractor abuser. Just now started. 7,000 subscribers. Car vlogs only, travel vlogs. Oh, bill is automatic. Damn, such an humble guy, man. What the hell? Tank is almost full for 3,600. When I got 3,600 yesterday in Bharat, my tank was not this full, man. What the hell is happening? So there are two types in diesel also. There is a power diesel and there is a normal diesel. Power diesel is around 10 rupees extra. I got normal diesel only. So he was like, get power diesel, sir, you'll get more power. What else I need, man? How much power do I want? Funny thing is, this guy treated me better than my fuel station guys. Tollgate number 1. I see a lot of traffic, man. I better stay behind the trucks because trucks are too long. Max 2 to 3 will be there in front of you, but if you go behind cars are small. There will be 7-8 cars in front of you, so think smart. See, I told you. Yep. Oh, Tata, be careful. Wait bro, you are not a Bugatti Chiron to directly come to the fast lane. Let's floor it. I'm gonna listen to songs and continue my journey now, and I'll show you guys if I find something interesting. So are completely wet over here for some reason, and it's drizzling, but I see no clouds above me. How come? How the hell is he going like that in this road? This guy is sleeping. I think I should wake him up. Damn, this diesel lag, turbo lag. I see a no overtaking sign over there, so I'm not gonna overtake. Damn, look at that mountain. It went into clouds. Looks awesome. What, 20 km per hour? I think they kept a wrong signboard over there. My man is right behind me trying to overtake me, but nice, at least people are standing in their lane. Damn, these potholes will eat my suspension. Let's say goodbye to Ciaz. Goodbye, bro. So the current mileage I am getting is 15.5. I started this 3 days ago, the day when I was going to Chennai. So far I have done about 648 kilometers, and I have done about 638 kilometers, and the current mileage is 15.5. Okay, I was expecting it to be 17 or 18 at least, because last time when I went to Pondicherry I had got 17 kilometer per hour. Even that time, what is this, 04 is the speed or what? Even that time I was driving like this normally without risking anything. But I don't know why, for some reason this time I'm getting 15.5. So far I have done around 150 kilometers and still 250 kilometers left to go. So far so good.